What's going on, everybody? Evan here with Evan's Detailing and Polishing. You talk, I listen. A lot of people have been telling me that they're looking for an easier solution and that metal polishing is too difficult to understand the colors and buffs and bars and all that stuff. So I've been working really hard to try and find you a true one-step bar for those of you that are trying to just kind of maintain your own stuff. This isn't really going to be a video for the pro polishers, but for those of you that are just trying to maintain yourself, the average consumer, this is what I'm shooting for, is for you guys. So take a look at this and let me know what you think. Drop a comment below in the comment section after you watch this and let me know what you think. All right, so this is the wheel before, and I'll show you an after here in a second. Run it, keep it running. Alright, so I personally would color this only because I'm a professional, give or take, whatever you want to believe. But I'm doing this to get paid. So I'm doing this for a customer. I'm going to color it because I want to color it. But if you were doing this yourself, this would look great. Check it out. Little hashy, but if you could imagine of doing that with the yellow wheel, it'd be a little less hashy. But for most people, this is going to be good going down the road. So let me know what you think.